These are exciting times at Italtel following the integration with Exprivia. I'm here at the Mobile World Congress with Italtel CEO Stefano Pileri. Stefano, this integration that was announced in December, just tell us what Italtel brought into that.
Mainly the competences in telecommunication and in networking space. And those competences are very important because the Internet of Things, the multitude of smart objects are collecting data. Those data are allowing different and enhanced process for data analytics to understand how to improve industrial processes, how to improve the healthcare for people, and how to evolve the market size of also medium-sized companies. So I think that networks is important to enforce the analytics, the data that is in important resources for the business today.
But I guess as well now, as you say, you're coming from the telecom side, but this is almost propelling you into the IT world at just the right time.
I agree with you. It is the right time because from the network side, the networks are becoming computer networks. With the 5G revolution that you are seeing, that is the fil rouge of Mobile World Congress this year, with the 5G, the network are becoming virtual networks with software as a network appliance, and then the IT competence is becoming more and more important for the networks, for the telecommunications.
So are you seeing whole new opportunities out there that perhaps historically Italtel might not have been able to go for?
Yes, in fact, in this show, in these conferences, we are demonstrating how the applications can be supported by an intelligent network, a smart network, and I'm speaking about the connected industries, Industry 4.0, we call this way in Europe, for healthcare, for smart grids and smart cities. So those applications are now supported by an intelligent network, a smart network, where there is a lot of intelligence, a lot of IT, a very, very reduced latency. The information can go through very suddenly, and naturally the capability to have high speed.
It sounds like you're going to have a very exciting rest of 2018. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much for being here.